Inbox dollars bonuses usually come from sign-up offers, streak rewards, and featured promotions, not from regular surveys. That matters because bonuses can boost your balance faster than standard tasks. By the end of this, you'll know where inbox dollars bonuses actually come from and how to claim them without missing the requirements. Here's the direct answer. To get an inbox dollars bonus, you need to complete specific bonus triggering actions, like creating an account, activating promotional offers, or finishing featured tasks inside the app. The key is knowing where to look. First, check the sign-up bonus. If you're brand new, Inbox Dollars often attaches a welcome reward to your account. But it usually isn't instant. Most of the time, you have to complete a qualifying action first. That might be your first survey, your first offer, or a minimum earnings target. Open your dashboard and check the welcome tracker. If there's a bonus waiting, it will usually show the exact requirement. Second, focus on featured offers. This is where the bigger bonuses usually live. Inbox Dollars runs promotions on app downloads, game milestones, and subscriptions. Instead of earning just the base amount, some offers stack a bonus if completed during the promo window. That's why timing matters. If an offer says bonus ends in 3 days, complete it before that deadline. Always read the terms. Missing a step means the bonus won't trigger. Third, use streak systems. Inbox Dollars rewards consistency. Logging in daily, completing small tasks, or maintaining activity can unlock extra earnings. These aren't huge by themselves, but they stack. A daily streak combined with featured offers usually builds faster than random surveys. One thing that helps a lot is email promotions. Inbox Dollars sends bonus links directly through email. Some are limited time and only available there. Check your inbox regularly. A lot of users ignore those and miss easy bonus opportunities. Here's the best strategy. Start with the welcome bonus first. Then check featured offers every day. Prioritize the tasks with extra rewards attached. Keep your streak alive. Open every Inbox Dollars promo email. That gives you multiple bonus paths at once. Quick recap. Claim your welcome reward first. Use featured offers because that's where bonus money usually shows up. Keep streaks active for extra rewards. Watch your email for exclusive promos. Your next step is simple. Log into Inbox Dollars right now and check your dashboard for any active bonus offers before they expire. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next guide on the fastest Inbox Dollars offers worth doing.